Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Baz, WELDERFABBER, and today we're going to start this chapter where we left the last chapter on the wash plant. So this will be fitted in this chapter, and whilst the director's here, I just thought we'd get a start to the next chapter, and we'll set a time lapse up and me and Cal will just box this off and get it out of the way. As you can see, we're just trying to fit this guide up. I want it to finish flush at the top there, Cal, bottom. So we're just trying to get the angles cut right. So I don't want anything to catch. If a tyre comes up here, it can't catch anything sharp. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, it should be alright, that. Alright, yeah. And we're just going to try and move it. I've noticed that a lot of people in the previous comments have been worried on how we're going to move it. So this is the first tester. We're just going to wrap a chain around that third leg in. So my plan is just to pick it up where Callum is now. That's it, choke it around that leg there. And that one at that side. Drop the forks down here, try lifting it up and dragging it back, because we are 95% there. It's all welded up now with just a little bit of welding on the back end to finish it off. The stairs, we're going to take them stairs off when we move it down the yard. As you can see, they've only got like a little inch run on. The tube, we made the tube come down and down, so it doesn't interfere with anything. When the truck comes up the ramp, if anything, it'll try and guide it on if it was to try and veer off slightly. And these treads are only tacked in. We've got the stairs to weld up yet, which I want to weld them from the underside so you can't see the welds on the top. Looking good, looking good. I just need to pull this end in, this bottom end in, so we can finish the welding off on these grids. Let's get that telly in and get it chained up. Oosh. Warriors. Warriors, good name that, innit? Warrior. No problem at all. Get these buttoned up. Might even pull it out a bit more, you know, just so we can take them stairs off with the forklifts. No problem. The director is here and the big move is on. So what we've done, we've just dropped the stairs off both sides before we start the manoeuvre. I didn't want to transport it with them stairs just welded on here in that spot there. So we only had them tacked on before anyway. The stairs are only still tacked up. They need to be fully welded yet underneath on the underside of the treads. So it is Saturday morning. There has an episode just come out just now. And I am only showing this to you guys on YouTube as I normally do an Instagram story of everything every day, don't I? But I thought, let's just try it. Let's just back off on the Instagram stories and just do this one solely for YouTube. So what we're going to do, the plan is drag it out a little bit more. We'll get Jack's big IAB down here and his trailer and we'll lift it onto the back of the trailer, right? We'll back it into the wash bay, which I'll take you up to in a second. We'll back it into the wash bay where we've removed the old ramp, yeah? Then we'll get the IAB next to it, lift it up, pull the trailer out and drop it down into the spot where it needs to be. It's a good looking thing though, isn't it? You must admit it's a good looking thing. And there's only really 9 days full work gone into that. 9 days. 9 or 10, Cal? 9.5. 9.5. So let's go and take a look at where it's going. So as we're walking up the yard, these are the 2 trucks that we're going to use. Look at them bad boys. So this one here is the one that we're going to lift with. Got a big crane on it. For those that want to know the specs, they're the specs of the lifting and range. How far out it can actually go with what weights on the end of the chain. All right, so we'll position this whole thing next to the wash, right? But we'll use this to lift it onto this trailer. Lift it up back of here. And then back this into the space where the ramp is actually going to be. Park that next to it. Lift it with that. Just take the weight. Then lower it into position. Pull this out. And if you walk out here, director, we're pretty much where it needs to be. Where our cal is. So the old ramp got taken out yesterday. It's on top of them containers over there. All right, these are a few bits of the old fence here. The only thing that might need to come out, well, will need to come out, is that drain pipe there where Cal stood. Because I want it to come right up to this wall. It wants to be as far this way as possible. It'd be better if that wall wasn't in. There's a drain there, isn't there? So, you know what I mean? The more that we can get it this way, the better, because if you might be able to see it from that angle. Can you see how the yard comes downhill? See how the yard comes down as you drive in the yard? That is the only issue. And at the end there, at the end where it drops down as well, that will cause us an issue with the ramps. That's why I've not welded the plates on the bottom at the end of the ramp, because I think that height could change, Cal. Yeah. It might get to the point where we have to raise it up at this end. Could be 50 mil. Do you know what I mean? To get it in line with that. Because when you come down there with something that's got a really low front end, it could catch the ramp as it comes up. And if that is the case, Cal, them old ramps that we're using over there, direct, on floor, can you see them over there on floor? So them old ramps that we're making there, we might have to remake longer with a smaller pitch on them. Because they are actually going to be positioned out here. So them ramps are going to go here, start here. So as you can see, you've got an angle coming down and an angle going up. And that's where they were all positioned there, can you see? So we're very limited with space. So we're going to use this telly that we used yesterday, and just to drag it out that little bit more, try and get another forklift behind it, see if 2 forklifts will actually pick it up. But it might struggle, but we only need to get it a few metres so we can get trailered outside of it.
Leave that there.
Leave it there?
Yeah, I'll probably pick it up there, eh?
Will you? That'd be good.
That's way, innit?
Right, so we're just trying to find the centre of balance, yeah? So we just took it off this leg, we're putting it onto this leg, and see if we can get a better lift. Right, so can you see how we're close to a car here? Jack just said, I'm not bothered about the car, just don't scratch that bucket there. So now we've got the centre of balance there, perfectly. What we need to do is back the other trailer underneath it. In fact, to be fair, we need to swing it all the way around. So now we just spun it round. Now we can go get the trailer and back it underneath it. Lifted it no problem whatsoever that way. So that went on nice and easy, smooth lift. A little bit of drone footage for you as well. Driving up yard and back it into the position where it just needs lifting then dropping. Hey up, look who's turned up. The main man, down the man number 2. What's up lad, you look tired?
Team no sleep today, mate.
Team no sleep.
Team no sleep. Out all night, mate.
What's up son, you look knackered.
No, this is just me. I've not had much sleep pace.
Oh, what are you doing last night?
Out for length fire.
Out for fire brigade?
Yeah, with this fuel bowser fusing up. Pumps up and stuff.
Feel it fire engines up.
Yeah.
Where was that at?
Up Blackpool way.
I'll tell you what, director, I've got just the thing for you.
What are we having?
Wait there a minute. Right, I'm going to give them a double shot, yeah? A double shot. Right, let's give the full squad one, eh? But let's see if we can work our Danny boy up. Alright guys, don't forget to check the link in the description for Holy and all the great deals that they've got on, especially the starter pack and all the great flavours if you've never tried it before. There you go, my son.
Oh, what's this?
Oh, we might as well have one. Right, listen, no messing.
Thank you.
Mum.
That smells right.
Are you ready? Cheers, boys.
Cheers.
Yeah.
Cheers, Tom. Cheers, Dom.
Oh, that's so good.
Actually, it's alright, yeah.
Alright.
It's good, isn't it?
I thought it was going to taste like ass. Your ass, yeah. I was going to say something else, but yeah, I thought it was going to taste like ass.
What flavour's that then?
What flavour is it? Blueberry bear, that.
Nice.
Blueberry bear.
You've been racing that, yeah.
Right, let's see if we can get this ramping super fast. Right, let's get this in position.
Hey, Baz. What's happening? Give me down there.
Oh,
That stuff down there. Just give me that drink.
yeah,
Is that legal, that gear?
proper stuff that.
That's some serious tackle, that.
Why?
Brand new now, lad. Brand new.
Feels brand new, does lad.
Why you do?
Don't forget, WELDERFABBER 5 for £5 off and WELDERFABBER for every future purchase for 10% off. So now that we've got down the man fired up, we can start moving. Take it nice and steady up the yard. Looks well, doesn't it, on back of there? Now then, if there anybody's out there that wants one of these and wants it galvanised, obviously there's a different process of building it galvanised. It will be all bolted together in sections. The only reason why it's in one lump like this is because that's the way Jack wanted it, and he's going to paint it in position. At the end of the day, it's the customer's preference to how they want it. So Jack, who stood there, wants it as quick as possible and as fast as possible. Just watch that corner. Oh yeah, yeah. Ooh. So the plan is to back it into this position now where it's going to sit, and then lift it off with the high ab. Little Jack there, look at it, look, Jack's had his energy drink, look! And it is going to be very tight. It needs to sit right up against this building here. Once it's in position, I want it touching that. And then the stairs should land about here. Bottom step. Well, like I've said, my only concern is this little bit of a dip. I'll let you guide him in, Jack. Now then, these boys are a serious recovery outfit. They've been and helped me many times recover sunken excavators. No problem at all. The harder the task, the better they love it. Oh, I'm getting nervous. There's going to be a lot of packers needed underneath these base plates in different locations. As to what location, I don't know yet. Well, the modern technology out there with the people using the CAD would have come out and dumpy leveled all the ground. But we just thought we'd just build it straight off the bat. This is Dan's truck. First time!
Oh, you know what we do.
First time, boy! Oh, messy.
Look at that.
Tell you what, Dan, you're not far off there. I want it touching building when it's on ground.
Yeah.
Right up to building, you know what I mean?
Move it across.
And now it's Jack's job. Jack's job on crane. We'll land it, so that leg is right down here.
6 inches.
Out 6 inches. So I'm going to put it down there again. That'll look.
Where plates down. Right, that is actually a pretty good fit. I'll tell you what, Cal, I'll tell you one thing we didn't think about, we're drilling them holes. Because we ain't getting a drill in there, we should have put them panels on last.
No, we don't need them too.
Great, won't it? Nah, it don't need to be, it don't need to be. Plenty of bolts up top. Is that pretty much its centre there, Dan? And put it right to the end. Who's that beeping? First time, straight in, boom. Beautiful. And look who's just turned up. Oh, my boy. Oh, good. So this is my son Maximus, and he's come back from Canada. Yeah, so he's been over there for the last 8 months now. And just tell the viewers what you've been doing over there, son.
Did a CN rail course, became a qualified conductor over there, and come back for a holiday.
Come back for his 21st. He's 21 next week. So special, family first. Yeah. Are you come to watch the install?
Pretty much.
Yeah. Right. So let's just take a look at the bases. So we want some packers under here. Maybe one packer under there. But I know what Jack's like, he's going to want to put a truck up it today. I can just tell by the look on his face. So, I'll bang a few bolts in it. I'll get a few packers under them too there that've got quite a bit of a gap. And we'll put the ramps, the lead up ramps to the front end now. Bang a couple of bolts in them and we'll send a truck up it. Right in the middle. Right, put 2 under the next one, under this one here. Yeah. Right under the centre. So what we're doing here, we've got 300 by 300 by 3mm plates here. Just to take that bit of flex out of it when something drives up it. So we'll sit it down at that and see where we're at. Right under the middle, Max, yeah? Watch your fingers, watch your fingers. Pull it out a bit, pull it out and do it from... Pull it out, Max, and slide them from here, then push them in.
Outside?
Yeah. Right. We've got a bang on level now, so I'm happy with that. Let's get these in position and then we'll try something up here. Look, Jack, you're not putting that on first go.
Yes, I am. Right. Hey, if you want to test it yourself,
Yeah, don't test itself, it's your problem.
Right, Cal, put these.
A new ramp and a new truck.
Put these in position.
And a new building when it's on.
Yeah, but it's not bolted down. Push it as it moves, Max. Push it as it moves. Watch your hand. Push from this side. Come on, Cap. Hands away, Max. Hands away. Come on, bit more.
Yeah, you're in there. We'll get you do over.
Right. I can't believe we're doing this, but we're actually doing it. We're putting the big girl on.
You're on. That way a bit.
You bang on it middle there, Jack.
To me, Dan. Where are you going? No, fucking. Just. To me.
Jack, come off there.
We know it's not turning, it's planning.
Yeah, it's just coming up on that one.
You should go that way, Jack. Is it trying to wheelie?
Yeah, a little bit, because it weights in it.
Yeah, way top back end. Go back a bit, Dan, and come again.
Yeah, go back, let it go back. That's steady. Straight on now.
Well, you ain't getting any heavier weight on than that. Are you going again, Dan? Yeah. Well then, just put a little bit of lock on. Well, now you're right at that. Just go forward at that now. Yeah, go straight up at that now. Guide him on, Jack. Director. Are we on?
You're on.
Are we?
You're on.
Is it right up to the stop? Wow. There you go. We're not even bolted down. How's that, Jack, underneath there? Look at him, he's loving it. He's loving it. Now she can have a good wash. forward. Down. Go on. Right, get centre foot now, come forward a bit. Forward! Down the touch. Right side, shift it that way. Beautiful. Right, welder. Right, so now we're just going to tack that in position. At the top there.
Right.
Yeah. Ooh, don't film that.
What we welded here?
Hang on, don't do that. To the other side. The other side needs to go up. So it doesn't need to go up.
Yeah.
Right, so it needs to go up on forklift. There's a bolt, there's a bolt. Bolt and a hammer. Hammer behind you. Get it? Get us a 30mm spanner, Max, 30mm ratchet spanner. Proper fixing. Right, what we'll do now, we'll drill them all. Somebody follow up behind me with bolts. Yeah. Now we know they're getting old, all right. We don't need to chemical anchor them or anything like that. Sweet. So that's how you put a ramp in, nice and easy, straightforward there. Well happy with that, and hopefully Jack's well happy with it. So we just had 34 ton up it, not bolted down. So with it being bolted down, I reckon you could put 50 ton up there, no problem. Oh, didn't even flinch. Now then, the most weight was in this point here, was at this point here then, on the second axle, right? That's where we had most of the weight, and it didn't even flinch, didn't even move 5 mil. I thought we might have got a bit of flex in it, but there was no flex in it. So all we've got to do to finish it off now is drill these little ramps down at the end. I've no 12 mil SDS drill bit when we already done it. We've got a few more holes to drill. We've got these plates to sort here that need welding to the beam underneath. I'm going to put another WELDERFABBER logo in here. Little WELDERFABBER sign there. We've got a handrail to put on this side here. Oh, here's Main himself now. We'll put a handrail on this side here, and I'm going to put a strap across the front, just a bit of a fall protector across the front end. So Jack, are you happy with that?
It's alright, isn't it?
What?
It's alright.
Suppose it's alright.
Not bad, it could have painted it for me, but no. Half a job.
Proper
no, it's
job.
alright, yeah. Proper job, that, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm happy with it.
What are you going to do about painting?
Oh, yeah. Thought about that.
Get it, maybe get it blasted and painted in position.
Yeah, I'll probably get someone to come and paint it here, if I'm honest with you.
Yeah.
I need to use it now, so
Yeah.
come and get out of my way.
It's that one at Hertz, we made at Hertz. We never painted it, right? And we made it over 12 years ago, and it's still right now because all muck that drops on it preserves it.
All grease.
All muck and grease, yeah.
No, I'll probably get it painted.
Probably get it painted.
Yeah, red, I think.
Yeah.
We'll get it painted red and whatnot, and then you can come back when it's finished.
Yeah.
A proper look.
Sound.
But yeah, it's spot on that, mate. Perfect.
Good. As long as you're happy, I'm happy. Let's get wrapped up.
That's it.
And I suppose you might have enough there, Director, for a chapter, yeah? All right, so we'll end it here and now. Cheers, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Please like and subscribe, as I always say.